In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Ram Promaster and Promaster City key fob. This key fob just takes one CR2032 battery. If you want to pick one of those up online, I will leave a link in the description so you can get it on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Only other thing you need is a small flathead screwdriver, like this precision screwdriver I have. If you don't have one like this, you can pick up a set of these on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. They're really handy, and I will also leave a link in the description to get that. So let's just jump right into it. Open this up and find this screw on here that is like a locking mechanism. That's the size you need. And you can see there's an arrow pointing towards a lock, an open and a closed lock. We're going to turn this thing down into the unlocked position. And from here, you can see there's like kind of a lip right beneath here. I'm going to use the same tool and catch on that lip and just lift up. And this whole component will come right out. Just take that out, remove the battery. It's a CR2032, as you can see. And when you take your new battery, look on the bottom here. There's a little symbol, the positive symbol. We're going to make sure the positive side goes up where that positive symbol is. And this is going to go back in just the same way it came. You kind of need to push this end in first before you turn it in like that. So it can be a little bit tricky, but just push this end in. May take a little finessing, and then you can see it needs to be all the way down for it to lock, just like that. If it's up a little bit, it's not going to lock. You're never gonna close it properly. I'll show you what that looks like. Just if it's up at all, kind of at that angle, that is wrong. You need to make sure it's all the way down, and once it's all the way down, you can put it back into the locked position. Oops. Make sure that it's in the locked position, and then just put your key back in, and you are done, and you are good to go. If you found that video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery inside any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.